So you're wondering how to open the ITI or Interlogix or GE motion sensor. You probably fiddled with this thing for 20 minutes, maybe 10 or 15 and gone to YouTube. Well, I got a little trick for you. First, to take it off the wall is really easy. You just push down on this tab and pull it back, and there it goes. These two little tongues here, they slip in these two little grooves to put it back in. Look out for this spring. If you break it or lose it, you're in trouble. It's kind of a pain to deal with. Someone else said on YouTube that a spring for a ballpoint pen will replace it. You cut it in half or something like that, but just be careful about that. So in any event, this is what people are really concerned about is removing this part to get the batteries out. And the directions say to push down these three tabs, 1, 2, 3, simultaneously, and simply pull it apart. But it doesn't happen so easily. So here's the trick. What you want to do is set it down on a table and push down these two tabs together, and simply take that screwdriver that you keep in your front pocket, push it right down into that groove here. This thing just needs to be wedged out the tiniest bit and twist a little bit, and there you have it. Opens right up. So now I'm going to hold on to this tab so it doesn't slip back in, and then it's and push down on this tab at the same time. And then there it goes. It just starts to pop out. Then you just kind of squeezing right here. Just pull it out. And there you go. Super quick, super easy. Hit the positive side here to kind of pry out the batteries. Takes 2 batteries. Snap them back in with the right polarity. And push this back in. You're going to hear it snap when you're all the way in. Usually snap. Oh, I'm going to push a little harder here. It didn't go in all the way. It's not snapping in. There we go. Just push a little harder than I did, and it'll snap right in, and you're done. Then, of course, just put it right back on the wall. Have a great day.